Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, first we're going to start off and fix our application pool for our CCM security token service pool, but then we'll be importing those install WIMs that we offline serviced earlier, and we'll be distributing them to our distribution point. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to click on Start. We're going to go to Internet Information Services, or IIS. We're going to expand CM01. Give that a few moments. This is where I would sing the theme to Jeopardy, I guess. Application pools. Let's expand the name. And what we're looking for is our security token service pool. We'll click on that. Click over here on advanced settings. What we're looking for is our process model down here. And look for the identity. So we're going to click on the ellipses here, and we're going to, on the drop down, we're going to use application pool identity. Best practice analyzer says that the application pool should be set to run as application pool identities. So we'll click OK here, and we'll click OK there. We're going to stop that one, and then we'll restart it. And that's pretty much it for that. Close IIS. And now let's open up our configuration manager console. Okay. Give that a moment to open. We're going to go to Software Library here, expand Operating Systems. Okay, we're going to click, then right-click on Operating System Images, add an operating system image, click Browse, and the first one we're going to use is our Windows 11. So copy that, paste it here, open, click on the by checking this box you're agreeing, and you'll notice that it automatically filled in that we're using Windows 11 Pro. Next, language dropdown. I'm going to go here to United States, English, x64. Next, name, I'm going to call this Windows 11 Pro, and the version is 25H2. Next, next, and close. Now I'm going to right click on that, click Distribute Content. Next, on our dropdown, we'll go to our distribution point, choose our distribution point there. OK, next, next, and close. Now what we'll do is we'll right click on our operating system images again, add, browse. We're going to use our server WIM this time. So copy that there, open, check the box. You'll see it says Windows Server 2025 Data Center. And then, of course, if it were expanded, you'd see that it was desktop experience. So next, language, same thing. Go to your drop down and x64. There we go. We're going to choose Windows Server 2025 Data Center. This is 24H2. Next, next. Give that a moment and close. We'll click and right click on that one. Distribute content. Next, same thing. Drop down distribution point. There we go. Next, next, and close. Now what we'll do is going to give ourselves about 5 minutes. So right click here. We're going to click our timeout, paste, and come on. There we go. And I'll see you in 5 minutes. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. And now what we're going to do now is we're going to right click up here, refresh. You should see success here, and do the same thing here. Success. Okay. We're all green. Now we'll go to Software Library, expand Application Management. And what we'll do is we'll go to our Packages and our User State Migration tool. We're going to right click on that and distribute content as well. So next, on our drop down distribution point, click here, OK, next, next, and close. We'll wait another 60 seconds here, and we'll come back when that's ready. See you in a minute. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll click refresh, and we're good there. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our boot images. So go here, you'll see our x64 boot image properties. Go to the data source tab here. We're going to say use Windows bootloader signed with Windows UEFI CA Certificate Authority 2023. That's the new one. That's what we want. On our drop down, let's choose our language, United States, x64. We're good there. Okay. Click OK, and we'll right click, click distribute content. Next, same thing. OK, next, next, close. Another 60 seconds, which it should already be there. And I'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's click on refresh here. And we're green. Everything's distributed. We're good to go. All right. And I will see you in the next video.